At Zammeds Medical System Incorporated, we equip healthcare professionals with advanced medical simulation products, immersing them in realistic medical scenarios within the training environment. We are dedicated to providing innovative medical simulation solutions that enhance hands-on learning and instill confidence in healthcare professionals. Our range of products, from lifelike mannequins to advanced virtual reality tools, equip students and professionals for real-world medical scenarios. Zammeds offers a complete range of medical simulation products designed to meet the needs of healthcare education and training. These products simulate real-world medical emergencies and procedures, giving healthcare professionals the skills they need to save lives. Our high-fidelity mannequins mimic real human responses, such as breathing, heartbeats, and pupil reactions, providing learners with a lifelike experience. Ideal for training in trauma, CPR, neonatal care, and more. These mannequins ensure that students practice life-saving procedures in a realistic environment. Our task trainers allow for targeted practice in specific medical procedures, such as IV insertion, airway management, and suturing. These trainers help build proficiency in the key skills needed for patient care. Our VR patient softwares offer immersive 3D medical environments where students can perform complex surgical procedures, patient assessments, and emergency interventions.
Yes, he has the routine immunization schedule up to date, but he has not had extra.
With real-time feedback and customizable scenarios. VR training enhances decision-making skills in a risk-free setting. Our Anatomage table is the most advanced real human-based medical education system. This state-of-the-art platform offers digitized human cadavers and superior medical learning tools, transforming medical education and training. By incorporating the Anatomage table, institutions can enhance learning outcomes, lower laboratory costs, and establish their technological leadership. Our advanced simulation software integrates with mannequins, virtual patients, and AV systems, offering seamless control over training scenarios. Paired with digital learning tools, students can access online resources, assessments, and learning modules to complement hands-on practice. At Zammeds Medical System Incorporated, we are committed to enhancing healthcare training through the power of simulation. Contact us today to discover how our products can revolutionize your training programs.